Okay. So, magandang hapon po sa lahat. Usually, kapag sa programang Storytime, nagsisimula tayo sa mga kanta. At itong kantang ito, yung Munting Gagamba, palagay ko alam ninyong lahat. Sa Ingles, ito yung Incy Wincy Spider. No? So, gagawin muna natin sa Tagalog, tapos sa Ingles, tapos para malaman nyo na ito pala ang kantang Gagamba. Munting Gagamba.
You do the hand things nice.
We'll do the gestures, no? Okay.
We're gonna do it.
Ano, Christine? Do you want me to start now? I'm not sure what you want. Okay. So, sundan nyo lang ako, ano? No? Maliit na gagamba, umakyat sa sanga. Dumating ang ulan at itinapon siya. Umikat ang araw, natuyo ang sanga. Maliit na gagamba ay laging nagkaya. Yay! Gawin natin sa English, ano? Kasi para ma-recognize, no? Ng mga bata. Okay. Sundan niyo ako, yung mga daliri ninyo, no?
Follow me with
it.
The most important
thing is to say, spider went up the stairs, down in the rain,
and watch the spiders out.
Out in the sun, light up all the rain. And
the most important thing is to
see the spider
went up the spout again. Yeah, I'm not sure.
Ito ang maliit na gagamba. Wala namang takot sa inyo sa gagamba, di ba? Very good, very good. Nakita ko sumasabay ang mga bata at ang mga nanay. Very good.
Kalabaw.
Kalabaw. Ang kalabaw sa English,
Carabao.
Caribou. Calabaw. Water buffalo. What is?
Okay.
ito ang hayop ng Pilipinas. No? So, ayan ang kalabaw. Alam ba ninyo na ang kalabaw ay may ngipin? Ngunit sa ibabaw lang. So, natutunan ko rin yan dahil sa kanta. No? Itong istorya, yung kanta ni Cho Carabao, ni Uncle Carabao. Okay? Sige, sundan nyo na lang ako. So, kakantahin ko ng isang beses, tapos uulitin natin. Ano? Paano ang sungay ng kalabaw? Ganon, no? Put your fingers on top of your head.
Where are you?
Both fingers. No? So, ganito, umpisahan ko, ano? Dito sa aming baryo, may isa na kalabaw. Ngalan niya si Cho Carabao, walang ngipin sa ibabaw. Ngaw, Carabao, baw. Ngaw, Carabao, baw. Carabao has no teeth, has no upper teeth.
What?
Yes, they're
There's no upper teeth.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. So one more time. So mga daliri dito ilalagay para sa Carabao.
We're doing the Carabao.
Okay.
Come here.
Okay. Let's start again. Okay. In English, it says, in our barrio, there is a Carabao, and his name is Uncle Carabao. He has no teeth. He has no upper teeth. And all he does is, no, Carabao, bow, no, Carabao, bow, bow, be, bow. Okay. Ready? Okay. Fingers. Dito sa aming baryo.
Yeah.
Isang
Carabao.
Carabao.
Walang ngipin sa ibabaw.
Alam niyo ba ang kalabaw ay nagbibigay ng gatas?
You know that a Carabao gives
You know that the Carabao gives us milk. And it's milk.
Carabao.
Gatas ng kalabaw.
gatas ng kalabaw. Gatas is milk.
Okay.
All right.
So I think Christine will also record this so you can sing this at home with your kids. Oh, now we're into the palaka. Ano ang palaka?
I can see the record.
Sing this.
Frog. What's a frog? What's a frog? A tadpole. Frog.
What is
In Canada, what do the frogs say?
Ribbit.
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 Very good. Ribbit.
Ribbit.
Ngayon ang mga palaka, the frogs also speak in many languages. Sa Pilipinas, ang mga palaka and the frogs, they say
Kokak.
kokak. Kokak.
Kokak. But where? In the Philippines.
Frogs speak in different languages, right? In the Philippines, they say kokak. Kokak. That's my Vietnamese friend.
Now on a frog
What do the frogs in Vietnam say? And she said, up, 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 up.
Go away from here now.
In Canada, in the West, they say
Ribbit.
ribbit. Ribbit. Okay. You're okay now to sing the song of the frogs. Okay. So the story is there are frogs in the swamp and they're all very happy. They have no noses and they have no tails, but they sing very loud and they sing, oh, gak, gak, gak. Okay, let's start. You can do your, you can see me though, but you can like do this, the chicken dance with your arms. Okay? Okay, let's begin. Ang alaka sa may sapa, masasaya sila. Walang tulong, walang buntot, malakas
kung kumanta.
here when they sing. Oh, gak, 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 oh, gak, gak, oh, gak,
Galing, galing, gak, gak,
oh, gak, 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 oh, gak,
gak, gak. Oh, galing, galing, gak, gak, gak.
Usually it's one of the favorite songs in Mother Goose because the kids just do their make those chicken gestures with their arms and they go around the room. Oh, gak, gak, gak. So one more time, okay? Okay? Are
Or
you
you can like,
okay?
Alaka sa may sapa, sa walang ilong, walang bungtot, malakas kung kumanta.
Ready?
Gak, 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 gak,
Gali, gali,
gak, gak, gak. Oh, gak, 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 gak. Gali, gali, gak, gak, gak.
Okay, all the rest. Very good. Very good.
Look at this frog.